Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lattybless Kitchen, and today I will be showing you how I make my Escovitch lobster. So guys, you can find the ingredients that I use to prepare this dish in the description below. And also, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. So now I have my lobster cut in two halves and cleaned. So what I'm going to do, I am going to wash my lobster with some lime juice. So I'm just ensuring that I get rid of some of the rawness from the lobster, because you know that seafood tends to be very raw. Then I'm going to set this aside and prepare my seasonings. So I've prepared a seasoning for my lobster, and this consists of fish seasoning, some all-purpose. I added some black pepper and some salt. So I'm just going to sprinkle this mixture all over the lobster, and I am just ensuring that I spread it evenly throughout the pieces. And as I have mentioned before, I will be adding the ingredients that I use in this recipe down in the description. All right. So I have added some vegetable oil to my pan, which has been preheated. Now I am going to be adding these pieces of garlic to the oil in order for it to get a garlic flavor. So I'm just going to allow the garlic to burn before I add my lobster to the pan. Now that the color of the garlic has changed to brown, it is time for me to add my lobster to the oil. So while allowing these to fry on each side for about 3 minutes, I will go ahead and prepare my ingredients for my Escovitch sauce. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Leave a comment down below, share my video, and make the thumbs up blue. So I have here some carrots, onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some pimento seeds. and I am just going to add this to some vegetable oil. Vegetable oil has already been heated, so I'm going ahead and adding the carrots first, and I am just going to saute the carrots. And I am adding the carrots first because carrots takes a longer time to cook, even though I am not going to cook the carrots right through. I am just sauteing the carrots, and I'll be doing this for about 1 minute before I add the other ingredients. Now I'm going to add my onions, Scotch bonnet, and pimento seeds. So now I'll be adding some mixed seasoning that I have used earlier, just about 1/4 teaspoon. Then I am just going to stir around and just leave it to cook for another minute. And now I'm going to add my final ingredient, some vinegar. And our Escovitch sauce will be ready within another minute. So this is it, Escovitch Lobster done by Lattybless. If you are new to the channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified each time I post a new video. Like, share, and leave a comment down below. Bye.